onion cucumber raita. It's a simple recipe. As you have the ingredients, it's very easy to prepare also. Only some few techniques are there, that's all, nothing more, but it's easy. Now let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare this onion cucumber raita. First of all, we want minimum half kg of thick curd, then something around 1 glass of plain milk, a small cucumber sliced, and 2 onion sliced like powder style. Along with it, little chaat masala, little black pepper, salt to taste, little asafoetida, and for finally garnishing, little coriander leaves. Now, usually this is a beautiful combination for our veg fried rice or biryani or etc. such style, and even with lunch also. Instead of finally we have lunch final item as mixed with curd, so rice and curd. Instead of that, we can have this cucumber onion raita also along with rice. Now let us see how to prepare it. First of all, with a whisker, you have to powder this curd into a thick paste. See, like this. Yeah. Now, once you have done that, you have to mix this chaat masala towards it. Again, this black pepper towards it. Again, this salt, whatever is needed. Again, little asafoetida. As I told earlier, this is a beautiful digesting agent where your tummy gets cleaned up after each meal. Now again, once again, you have to mix it properly. You have to take a mixie, add this cucumber towards it, and add that milk also towards it. And now grind it. Now I have grinded this cucumber and milk together and made it thin paste. Now we'll add this towards this curd. Now you just mix it properly once again. Now finally, you have to add this onion towards it. Now your onion cucumber raita is ready. See how thick it is, and really it's very tasty. You can just garnish it with little coriander leaves. And if you are happy about it, please don't forget to comment upon it, and don't forget to pass it on to your friends and relatives and ask them to request them to subscribe for me. So nice to be with you. Have a good day. Thank you.